Hey, Faye State 24, we, your Office of Scholarships and Financial Aid, would like to take a moment to welcome you to Fayetteville State University and introduce ourselves. So, Ms. House, go ahead and kick it off.
Hello, I am Kamisha House, Executive Director of Scholarships and Financial Aid at the Fayetteville State University. My role is to ensure you navigate the financial aid process with ease and understanding, and ultimately the financing of your education. I look forward to assisting you with your financial aid needs. Welcome, future Broncos.
Hello, future Broncos. My name is Ilysia Daniel. I work in the Office of Scholarships and Financial Aid as the Associate Director. My role is to ensure that you go through your financial aid process as smoothly as possible. I look forward to assisting you through your financial aid process, and I would like to welcome you to the Fayetteville State University.
Hello, my name is Shakira Vast. I work in the Office of Scholarships and Financial Aid as Administrative Support Associate. I work as triage for currently enrolled and incoming students, parents, and guests, assisting with completing FAFSA applications, verification documents, and overall financial aid needs. I look forward to assisting each of you throughout your journey. Welcome to FSU.
Hi, my name is Debbie Talley, and I work in the Office of Scholarships and Financial Aid as Administrative Support Associate. When you come into the Financial Aid Office, I am one of those support persons you will see. I can help you in assisting you in completing your FAFSA or any other questions that you have related to financial aid. We welcome you to financial aid and look forward to hearing from you soon.
Hello, my name is Mrs. Dotty Folds. I work in the Office of Scholarships and Financial Aid as a Financial Aid Administrator. I work directly with federal, Pell, SCOG, and Teach Grant, as well as federal direct loans and private student loans. I also assist students with the last names A through BRE. I look forward to assisting each of you with any of your financial aid needs. Welcome to Fayetteville State University. Go Broncos!
Hey, my name is Simmons, and I work in the Office of Scholarships and Financial Aid as a Financial Aid Administrator. I work directly with federal work study, default prevention, and financial literacy. I also assist students with the last names BRI through MARR. I look forward to welcoming you in the fall. Hey, go Broncos!
Hello, my name is Jiri Connor. I work in the Office of Scholarships and Financial Aid as a Financial Aid Administrator. I work directly with student scholarships, both institutional and external. I also work with the state grants. I also assist students with the last names beginning with MARS through Z. I look forward to assisting each of you with all of your financial needs. Welcome to the home of the Broncos.